All right, absolute value, our parent functions and their transformations and absolute value. So what absolute value does is absolute value is never going to have a negative output. So really, we do absolute value here in this unit, and then we also do absolute value when we get to trig graphing. And that's just to get these pictures in our head. So what that means for what you're going to draw is that anything that's under the x-axis, it's basically going to bounce off the x-axis and go back positive. So I like to plot some points if I can. If I can do all of these in red for you so they'll really stand out. So I like to plot my points that are on my x-axis, like for this little cubic guy here. And then any points that are down here under the x-axis, I'm going to flip those up. So that point that looks like it's at -4, maybe -10, is going to come up here. And I'm just going to draw that curve going up. This little curve that's below here, between, I don't know, it looks like 0 and 3, that curve is going to bounce up. So I'm going to try to plot that point. Not all of these points are like nice ordered pairs. You're just sketching for me. So this point is like almost 2, like between 4 and 6. So almost 2, between 4 and 6. So this curve, the absolute value of the curve that was originally graphed here, is that guy that's there in red. Again, doesn't have to be the most beautiful picture you've ever drawn. I just want to know that you know what's going on. Same thing here. I'm going to flip this curve underneath the x-axis up. So it looks like that is kind of at almost -200. So I'm going to go up. So almost +200, and where this starts to dip below the x-axis, I'm going to draw as best I can. Over here in the positive x values at 4, that takes a dive below our x-axis, so we're going to draw it going up. So maybe I should have chosen a different color. Here, let me do this in gray for you. So the absolute value of the function that was graphed here originally is that guy in gray. Last example, go back to red. We're taking this point at -4, -288, and we're going to flip it up to -4, +288. So the function in blue was your original. The function in red is the absolute value of it. Lovely. Good job getting through the unit review. Please see me in class or outside of class, or shoot me an email if you have any additional questions. I'm always happy to help.